Good morning, children. Welcome to fifth standard. Today I am going to take computers. Open lesson number 1, page number 3. Lesson number 1, uses of computer. Page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. What we learnt in the previous class? We learned about what are the advantages and disadvantages of computers and what are the features of computer. Today we are learning about uses of computer. Computers are used everywhere in our daily life. Computers are used everywhere in our daily life. Where we will see computers? We will see in home, schools, hospitals, railway stations. Everywhere we will see computers. In home, how we will use, how it is useful in home? How means we will play games, listen the musics, and we will make the cards, plans, budgets, and make the expense sheet, and we will book the electronic tickets, and we will do online shopping. Like this way, in the home computer will be used. Next one, school. In school, how it is useful? In school, the teachers, they will use the computers, and non-teaching staff also they will use, and teachers, they will teach while using the computer, and they will prepare the lessons, reports cards, timetables, presentations, test paper. All the things they will prepare while using these computers. Next one, in hospital, how it will useful in hospital? Computers are widely used in the medical field because they should maintain the reports of the patients. They maintain medical records and treatment details of patients, and they will perform the operations, and it is used to research and find the cure of diseases, and to do the list or some test, and some test and checks ups like CT scans and blood test. They will use the computers in hospital. In entertainment, how we will use computers in entertainment? Means computers are commonly used in the field of entertainment, make the future films and animations of movies, and add special effects and characters and sound effects and movement expressions, cartoon characters. These we all things we we will use it in computer for in a entertainment purpose. Next one, bank. How it is useful in banks? Means computer are used in a banks for various purpose like operate the ATMs and provide the internet banking facility, and keep the records of account holders, their transactions. They will keep the account holders transactions, and do the online enquiry of customers account balance, and they will update their account balance, like what is debit, what is credit, and they will calculate the internet and verify the checks of customers. Like this way, the computers will be useful in banks. Next one, office. Office, how it will use in office? This is office. See, computers are used in office for performing different tasks. Make and keep the records of office documents. They will prepare and keep their records in the computer. Maintain the employees details like their salary details, leaves, working details, all they will maintain. And communicating using the emails, they will communicate while using the emails. Type and print the office document, they will type the office documents, and they will prepare for presentations. Like that way, in office also it is use. Next, libraries. In library, how it is useful? Computers are used in libraries for a various purpose. Access the library's computerized books database, check records of a books issued and written, access the online research articles and journals. In library, how it useful means they will keep the records of books, how many books are there, how many issued and how many it's returned, and access the online research articles and journals. Like this way computer is very helpful. Next one, science and technology. In science and technology, computer are used for various purposes like provide fast, accurate and flexible ways of handling data and help in research and invention. It will help in research and invention, and it will make the launching missiles and satellites and conducting the experiments and making the different scientific equipments and weather forecasting. In science and technology, the computer will be used in like this way. Next, designing. Computer help in the field of designing in various ways. Like architects are use the computer to design the houses and buildings. Engineers use the computer to design the cars, scientific aptitudes and equipments. Like this way, it will be helpful in designing. Engineers, they will use computers in like this way. Then shops and hotels. Shops and computers are used for various purposes in shops and hotels. How it will be useful in shops and hotels means keep the records of items sold, how many items sold, bills of customers, and generate the bills and maintain the salary details of the employees and manage the data of employees and customers. Like this way the computer is very useful. What are the uses of computers? Computers are used in home, school, hospitals, entertainment, banks, office, libraries, and science and technology, designing, shops and hotels. I think all of you understood. Thank you children. Bye.